Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and watch all these videos, and if you're liking these videos, you can hit the subscribe button to be part of this big family. For the ones who wants additional services only, WhatsApp 7892652481, and for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstox or Angel Broking. Link is in the video description, so check out the link and open your account. So without wasting time, let's see how I traded today and how I took advantage. So today I traded in Reliance options. All right, so like Friday is the day which I do a lot of things. Everything goes wrong, something experiment happens, and from before, Friday is a day something different happens for me. Okay, and today just like that, instead of taking bank nifty, my mind went towards the Reliance stock options. Okay, we used to do index. Now I did a stock option immediately today because early morning I saw a news regarding Reliance, and I also shared in my secret Telegram channel. Okay, so I just shared in the Telegram channel that Reliance is a debt free. That news I saw. So obviously it's a eye catching for a lot of investors. Now what will investors do? Investors will come and jump into Reliance, considering in long term it is good for investment because it's a debt free company and so many investors have come. So obviously the stock will have some reaction, so there will be a volatility of like up and down, right? So I thought I'll capture the up. So therefore, morning when Reliance was moving a bit, I know the options will move, so immediately I went to NSE India and I checked the top contracts. Okay, in top contracts you will get all index. So I went to top stock options. Okay, you go to stock options. In that option I got Reliance with 1700 strike price. So therefore I immediately took this particular, because the volume was more in the morning, in this early morning, after a few minutes. So we will see the time frame. So I made around 16,000 rupees profit today. I took around just 24.12 because the premium is very small. I get more quantity. Okay, so one lot is 505 shares. So 505 shares into 15 lots. So much shares units I got. So I scalped out almost 8%. So if you see 2 rupees something I hit here, 24.12, 26.25. So 2 rupees is close to like 8% or something like that, 8 to 10% of the price over here. So 8% on this I have hit. So with my 5 times margin, I get around 40 to 43 times overall. Roughly we will calculate. Now let's look into the trade book. So yeah, see, I took this around 7575 quantities, and I sold around 26. So both were market orders only. So looking at the order book, morning I put 20 quantities, it got rejected because of the premium, I guess, and then I immediately put 15. It took immediately. I didn't go to check how much margin it used, but I took 15 and it was moving very fast, so I was scared a bit. So around 923.41, so close to 924, I took this and I exited on market order only because it spiked up. I immediately exited at 926. So 2 minutes, in 2 minutes I could scalp 40 plus percentage in this particular stock options, because stock options price was very low. I could take advantage of this particular option. Okay, so over here you see 924 in the morning. So this is our Reliance contract and this is our underlying asset. So you know that I have more experience in equity, so I am able to predict the movements of equity stock. Keeping that in, I use the prediction speculation on Reliance option contract. Now over here you see early morning I got tempted and just took the stock because Reliance is moving, people are investing money, some spikes will be there. So around 924 I took here some 24 point this. As soon as it spiked, I booked my profit here itself. Later after some time it came down, but later part of the day you see it has broken this range and it has gone up to 80 rupees now. Okay, so I hit only 2 rupees, but after that it has gone like 60 plus, it has gone. Okay, so that was the movement of this stock option. Very great move, but anyways I'm happy with the percentage. Even though I hit that 2 rupees, it is like considering my capital and number of times I got leverage, it is close to 40 plus percentage profit which I made in 2 minutes, which is more than enough, which in equity and future I will take a lot of time to do, right? Which I got it here. So it is pretty quick, and I'm happy that you saw from Monday we started doing the practice. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today Friday also we ended up positive in options practice. So I'm very happy, because in learning period of my equity I was not like this, or when I was learning my future practice few years back I was not like this. I used to make mistakes and it used to go plus and minus and plus and minus. But in options, because of my past experience in equity and futures and mindset, somewhere I'm able to hold my learning, or hold my learning carefully, and I'm trying to be very careful most of the time. I'm exploring a lot of things and experimenting also. Thankfully everything is going good. So let's see how it will come, and next week onwards we will try to put more of equity and futures video, because I put too much of options video. Our equity and future beginners are still in the process of learning, because our channel are more of beginners. So I will try to concentrate on those videos also, and we will do side by side little bit of options. I will do my practice, I will continue my practice going forward, and I will inform you guys. So this is how I made my this is one experiment on our contract of stock. So you saw 1 week full on index, bank nifty. Now we did on stock. So in stock also is possible, but remember in stock the volume will be comparatively less. Maybe Reliance is traded well today, okay, you see Reliance is traded well, but not all stock will be traded, okay. So be very careful while choosing the stock. Go to NSE India and check that top stock, or check my videos. I've told you how to check the strike price and all those I have shown you, right? How to select the best strike price for intraday option trading. So look at this particular video if you're a beginner, to understand how to select the best price every day for intraday trading. So thank you so much. Hope these videos are helping a lot of people, and hope you guys have started your journey. If you have not yet started journey, not a problem, don't make it a hurry. Always learn equity first and then go to futures. After futures come to options, then it will become more easy for you according to my experience. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.